Cholera is a potentially epidemic and life-threatening disease involving the bacterium Vibrio cholerae. The bacterium have simple nutritional requirements and gain mobility from a single flagellum tail. This bacteria infects the small intestine. The person who has contracted the disease has most likely had water contaminated with the bacteria. Cholera has mild to severe symptoms involving watery diarrhea and vomiting. As a result of the excessive loss of water, your whole body may become dehydrated. Cholera might seem like something manageable and harmless, but cholera can be fatal within hours if untreated. Let's say T represents the time in hours, and B0 represents the original colony of bacteria. After 0 hours, the original colony, or B0, would be 0. After half an hour, though, the original colony would have doubled, because the cholera bacterium divides every half hour to produce 2 bacteria. Hence, we have B0 times 2. After 1 hour, the original colony would have doubled again, so the number of bacteria would be B0 times 4. After 1.5 hours, the number of bacteria would be B0 times 8. After 2 hours, the number of bacteria would be B0 times 16, and so on. The R of half an hour would be 2, because bacteria doubles every half hour. The R of 1 hour would be 4, because bacteria doubles twice every hour. So if we use 1 hour as the unit of time, then the equation would be Bt equals B0 times 4 to the T. T would equal 5 because T represents 5 hours. B0 would be 30 because 30 is the initial number of bacteria. Bacteria are living organisms, so they need many things to survive. They have to live in favorable conditions, with not too much and not too little sunlight, optimal pH and salt concentration, adequate nutrition, temperature, oxygen, and enough room to grow in. In the real world, doctors could use this to determine the rate of bacteria developing in contaminated water and estimate how much effort it would take to purify the water again and make it drinkable.